there's still many things to finish, but one of the things I want to get done is get this car aligned. And luckily, a couple years ago, I won this kit from Quick Trick Alignment. So this company does like these kits so you can do an alignment at home. So it's you can do it at home, and then you can also take it to the track and do adjustments there. So it's kind of nice to have something like this in your toolbox. The company again is called Quick Trick Alignment, and thank you very much for providing this in the raffle. Comes with a nice bag, comes with all the stuff in there. So I'm just gonna unpackage this and see if we can get this car aligned so at least it can drive straight. Included is your rods. It comes with 2 measuring tapes, all the little tools that you need here to put it together, and these ties to tie it up to the wheel so that way it doesn't move when you're doing your adjustments. So I'll put this together, and this is how it looks all put together. Got it all centered in here. Got the 2 measuring tapes, and then what you're doing is you're just going to use these 2 tapes to do your measurements. Then adjust as needed. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Alright, and here I am trying to make my adjustments from the inner tie rod. And here's where we're at now. This is the back side of it. The front side of it, which is eyeballs kind of like as close as possible until I get into the actual machine with the whole weight and load in there. So that should do for now. Now my settings are all done. Get this car back on the ground. Give it a drive, see how it drives. Alright, and the alignment was successful. The car drives a lot better. It's definitely more straight. The steering wheel is not up to one side. So thanks to Quick Trick Alignment for adding this arsenal little tool to my box, which is always helpful, and it comes with the bag. So for those who are interested in this, here's the Quick website where you can purchase your own. This is not a sponsor. I'm just being thankful for them giving me this away.